So here at MWC 2019, we've seen flexible displays being used to create foldable phones by companies like Samsung and Huawei, but Nubia, the company that recently brought us phones like the Nubia X and Red Magic Mars, decided to go a slightly different route. They put a 4-inch flexible OLED screen into a smartwatch. This is the Nubia Alpha, and Nubia isn't exactly marketing this product as a smartwatch, and instead they're describing it as a phone on your wrist. This sort of gives you the impression that it's going to have smartphone specifications, but it doesn't. It has pretty typical smartwatch specs with a Snapdragon Wear 2100, 1 gig of RAM, 8 gigs of onboard storage, and a 500 mAh battery that Nubia claims will get you 1 to 2 days on a single charge. It also has a 5 megapixel camera on it if you want to snap a quick photo, but odds are the quality isn't going to be very good. Before I continue, I'd like to give a quick shout out to Digit Daily, our sponsor for Mobile World Congress 2019. Your tech news direct to your inbox. Make sure to check the link in the description below for more information. The phone part is merely in reference to its eSIM capabilities, which allows it to function as a standalone device, so you can take calls with it, send text messages, and browse the web without your smartphone. I have to admit the Nubia Alpha is not the sleekest looking smartwatch I've ever seen. It is made out of stainless steel, so it feels pretty nice, but it's a very big watch and feels a little bit clunky. The flexible OLED screen though is very impressive. It's very bright and the colors look fantastic, and the fact that it's able to flex and wrap around your wrist feels extremely cool and futuristic. The software in here is Nubia's own custom wearable operating system, and from what I've seen so far, it's really intuitive and easy to use. Everything's pretty easy to find, and it takes pretty good advantage of the size of the screen by making the icons large and nicely spaced out so they're easy to press. The watch has a lot of functionality built in. You can use it to track fitness, sleep, listen to music, or view your entire gallery of photos. It also has these really nifty air gestures that let you navigate side to side or scroll up and down just by swiping your hand across the watch, so you can do a lot of interaction with the watch without having to touch the display. The Nubia Alpha goes on sale later this year and starts at 449 euros for the non-eSIM version in black, 549 for the eSIM version, and finally 649 euros if you want the 18K gold-plated model with eSIM. Let us know what you guys think about the Nubia Alpha. Is a flexible display on your wrist the future of smartwatches, or do you think this is just a gimmick? Let us know down in the comments below, and keep it tuned here for the rest of our coverage of MWC 2019.